It's videoing. Video. This kind of environment. Using screwdrivers! That's what we'll write on the proof.
Correct stage person. They all have a lot of anger. It's been a good day today, guys! Why don't we just put the telly on?
Hello and welcome to the UK Top 40. Yeah. Here today we have the Yarmouth, and that's entertainment at number 1. Yeah, I think I have as well.
I mean, I have tea in mine. I'm going to read my tea leaves.
Wouldn't you like to kill your neighbours?
I know. Let's put it on that video of Egypt, our Egyptian holiday.
Oh yeah, let's.
We
had a shit holiday, didn't we?
Good
on balls of steel.
Hello and welcome to Bid Up TV. Wouldn't you like something unique and different? Yes, I do, Dave. Well, today we have something different and unique.
We don't even know what it is.
Yes, it's the new Diamante necklace.
It's a new Diamante necklace.
It plays music as
facing the wrong
well.
way.
Oh no! Here on Bid Up TV, you can have it from just £10.
Turn the volume down.
I'm gonna press the red button.
Hello and welcome to Red button, you twat. Oh!
Oh my god, our telly is possessed!
Why don't you put the cactus on top of the TV?
I wanna watch. Let's just see what happened in Parliament.
Okay.
But let's turn it into Spanish.
I
want to see what happened in Latvian Parliament! Latvian! No, that's too racist.
English Parliament.
Good old fish and chips.
Spanish language.
Bunch. Oh my God! Pizza! Pizza!
Oh yeah, it's broken. Yeah,
I like to
something
eat
else.
poo. What we watch?
X Factor.
And
Volume down though, volume down, it's too loud.
Hang on.
Fucking serious.
Who wants to be a millionaire? Oh, it's so obviously that one. Why won't they do it? Why won't they do it?
Oh my God, the phone's ringing!
Oh my gosh!
Phone a friend! Hello! I like the bottle of
I've got the phone!
Hello, is this Daryl?
No.
I picked up the wrong number, goodbye.
Bye.
I want to all that happen.
There we go.
I want to order one of them speaker things, they seem cool.
Okay.
I think it is
Let's watch this tape, this aerobics fitness tape.
Oh, that could be good.
On mute.
First of all,
On mute. In fast forward.
Right, I'm gonna go and get a cup of tea whilst this is on. So.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, me too.
No,
I
you're
don't
not
want to read my tea leaves anymore.
Cheers, people.
You've got a murder channel. In mute.
Yeah, I just quite interested to see what happens on How to Kill Your Neighbour.
Yeah, well, hang on, let's
Yeah,
go
what
back to How to Kill Your Neighbour.
Hello, and welcome. We've already had that.
It's already halfway through the show and they're saying welcome.
Welcome back. How would you like to kill your neighbour? We've been talking.
There was no tea left, so I got a packet of hot chili powder.
We've been talking to next door, and they are quite disappointed about the behaviour of the children next door. Yes, well, they're always making blooming noise. Blooming noise. Here today, I have David Gray from next door at the Andover. How do you feel about these children?
Well, they
This
just
TV
drive
is
away business.
absolutely
Just
shit.
drive
You
away.
should better have
Oh, not your phone. It's fine. Your phone isn't wet. The phone is not wet at all.
It only can work if it's true.
And turn off.
Yes.
Smash the telly.
Who wants what to see then? I want my mummy! They're going to go to McDonald's.
Let's order in pizza.
Yay. The telly's now going to McDonald's.
Alright, have fun.
Now
Okay,
that
I
she's
think
all
that-
wet.
I think we can call that a wrap.
Renegades with fancy gauges, slay the plague, for it's contagious. Pull the plug and take the stages. Throw away your television now. Oi, oi, oi. Throw away your television.
Right, that's going to start in 10 seconds.
Right, that's where we start.
Shoddy. Oh, Tom, you failed back and please.
This is recording now.
Yeah, it's still recording. On the outtake.
Oh, this is hilarious.
Right, more
More earth, I need it, more earth. The ring of Mordor.
Can I help if you get to put some water in here? I know that kind of speaks to a particular practice as well.
Well, I have some water.
Yeah, we actually help with that.
not the fruit stuff.
Tastes like lemon and lime now.
Ow, you bitch! I should probably stop.
Yeah, I know.
Just, you can't like my beautiful bra. It's only ages to choose that night.
Wow, I'm in love with it. Right, I'm going to stop
To balance
this.
it out.
Everyone will want one.